Okay, I'm a student. I do not claim I'm a researcher. I'm a student here, just new into research. And what my professors have taught me how to do research is, the first step is literature survey. I go read what is been already there. Then I experiment it, then I test it. Okay, now somebody is saying, okay, this works, does not mean it works. It has to be experimented. I mean, the same situation, if I can do, if I should actually be able to reproduce the same thing, as Professor Murthy has clearly said. And then I would talk about it. I improvise it, and then I would talk about it. Now, the very classic example of how science works is the Higgs boson discovery. Those guys have been working for decades, and then they claim something. And when they claim something, they are very, very careful about everything what they have been doing. They do meticulous research. They take every calculation properly, recheck it thoroughly, and then do it. And then they talk about it. And when they talk about it, they talk about only Higgs boson. Okay. Now no, sir. I have not completed my question. I'm really sorry. Okay. Now I really appreciate. I didn't know that our great Indian heritage has so much of power in the metallurgy. I appreciate it. I don't have any problem with it because you are talking about it. But does that give you a license to talk about everything else on the planet? When Higgs boson, the team was saying something, did they talk about something else? Professor V. Balakrishnan, we are really missing you here.
Maybe when I talk about this nano copper trends, okay, you have started MS. I have finished PhD 20 years back. I have also been doing research. I have not talked last 3 years about this at all.
Yes.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, unless I make sure that it is reproducible.
Sir, my question was to Shastri ji.
Yes.
I have no problem. I clearly said I have no problem with whatever prowess he has shown that Indian heritage had with in the field of metallurgy, because he is qualified to do that.
Unless somebody does it like this, a scientist from IIT Madras had to spend 4 years or so to bring out a small thing.
Sir,
similarly,
my question is not at all that.
Ready to do it. There may be many more things.
I am sorry to say that does not answer my question.
Unless you really do it, how do you know? Just because you have not done
Exactly. Until unless you do it, we really do not know.
Exactly.
Has he done quantum physics? Has he done everything else? Talk about it.
But from similar text itself, he was able to make this.
Sir, he should
prove.
Yeah, he should talk
what
about.
I'm trying to say that you can possibly there is something. Just because I do not know it.
No,
not mean
exactly.
Please, friend.
Exactly.
You need to put heart into it.
Sir,
if you put your heart into it, possible.
Sir, are you answering your own question? I'm sorry to say that. Exactly, that's what I said. Unless when you are talking about something, and my question is to Shastri ji. He is the event speaker here. He is the event speaker.
I will answer.
No.
I am just giving the whatever I have seen the ancient literature. I am giving the.
You have seen it. You have seen it. You have seen it. That is not science. You have to prove it. You have to study it. You have to prove it, reproduce it in your lab, and then you have to talk about it. You talked about metallurgy. I have no problem with it.
Okay, how many of you are will